Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use Canva AI video generator tool to generate AI videos from simple descriptions. Alright, so if you want to generate AI videos from text prompts, you have to use this Magic Media tool inside Canva, and you can use this for free if you have a Canva Pro subscription. You can generate 50 AI videos per month for absolutely free. If you do not have a subscription, you can use the link in the description below and get a 14 or 30-day free trial and generate AI videos for free. Right, so to use this Magic Media tool, you can Google it on Google to Canva Magic Media and you will find it on Google. Or you can just open up a new blank canvas, and you can also find the Canva AI video generation tool in the sidebar. So all you have to do is click on apps on the left here, search for Magic Media, then the first app will be Magic Media, and then we have to select videos here because you can also generate AI images with this tool. I have other tutorials on my YouTube channel where I show you how to do that, but now let's use the AI video generator tool inside Magic Media. And in this case, all we have to add is a simple text prompt here, and then Canva will use the Runway technology, which is a video generator tool, to generate AI videos for us. So this is the prompt I have come up with: a peaceful beach with waves crashing on the shore. Then let's see what the Canva AI generator will come up with. So click on generate video here, and as you can see, an AI video generation takes about 1 to 2 minutes. It has indeed took about a minute or two, and we have received our video. So if you click on the video, it will be added to your canvas, and we can check out our video here. Let's increase the size. Let's watch the video. And it's really good. I really like it. So as you can see, it's not too long yet, but this is what most AI video generator will do right now. And as I mentioned, you can do this for absolutely free, and you have 50 credits per month. And you can edit this video like you would edit any other video inside Canva. So you can crop the video, you can flip the video, you can edit the video, add music, and so on and so forth. So notice how you can use the video generator tool inside Canva for free. As I mentioned, if you do not have a Canva Pro subscription, you can use the link in the description below and get a 30-day free trial. Hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make Money with Canva checklist for free, where we reveal a ton of ways how you can make money with Canva and get other free Canva online marketing and AI resources, make sure to check out the links in the description below, where you can also sign up for Canva Pro for 14 days for free. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Canva, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlist, because we have over 1,000 free tutorials.